Greetings from Storesjøane, a wild beach here in Bergen. Actually, 1 hour away by bus from the central Bergen. And you need to take two buses also, but fairly close to the airport, as I heard a, uh, a plane coming up now. So yes, and actually I have a plane to catch in 4 hours. So I really need to enjoy this beach adventure now first, and good that I'm also close to the airport. So yeah, that was good logistics from my end. Do I see jellyfish? What? Amazing. Now this is actually a rocky wild beach with lots of seaweed, so it's not so accessible into the sea. So we need to find a good spot where to go in. Obviously I cannot jump because it is not too deep enough, but I see very interesting seaweed here. Not sure if you can spot them. Those with the white on them. Amazing. So yes, this is the North Sea, obviously. So I think I'm gonna go there instead. Because I saw one better way to get in over there. And obviously there are some seashells on these rocks. So I need to watch out for that as well. But there is nobody here. No one. I'm the only person. But that is because this is a not so known spot with 0 reviews on Google Maps. And actually it has one review that has like it has nothing. But those wild beaches should be like that. Those should have nothing. Well, someone should build maybe some kind of step inside, some jumping platform, obviously. All right, anyway, today is 11th of June. Now it's 4 p.m. Outdoor temperature is 21 degrees Celsius and feels like temperature of 17 degrees. So let's dive in and enjoy the wonderful sea while we can. Well, I can still go in Sweden when I'm back, but this North Sea is a lot much saltier compared to the Baltic Sea. So I really want to enjoy every second of it. So I have prioritized my beach adventures more than the sightseeing. So yeah, okay. Now this is challenging, right? So I guess we're gonna trust the seaweed here. I see nothing, and I have no idea how deep it is and the status of this seaweed, but I really need to get this tip done, so I'm trying out now. So yes, this is the forest of the sea. Okay, I have stepped on a stone here, I think. All right, good. There are some stones, obviously. It's not only seaweed. So yes, so here at Storesjøane we are going to make the swim here. So let's see and explore more in the sea what's in there. All right, are you ready? We are going in 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, now it's your turn to see what's in there. obviously lots and lots of seaweed. So I'm gonna try to stay up as much as I can, so I don't disturb the ecosystem here. But yeah, it's nice, a little bit end of the world feeling here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling so alone here. Actually, there are some houses, but I guess those people have boats and are out now on a boat adventure on a Sunday. I would have done that with this. But alright, now we're gonna need also to go up again. And I don't remember which way I got in. I see some jellyfish also as well, so I would need to avoid them as well. But yes, so hope you enjoyed this swim from Storesjøane here, an unknown wild beach. Probably also it can be nudist as well, because nobody's here anyway. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time with another beach adventure.